Hi folks, and welcome to Masterclass. Today I want to talk to you about fatigue management. And I'm not talking about just you as a driver, I'm talking about your camper trailer. The shock absorbers on your camper trailer are the hardest working component by far when you're traveling, particularly on corrugated and rough roads. When the shock absorbers are doing their job, they're actually moving up and down faster than the pistons in your car. So you need to consider how much heat that will build up during your travel. When I say shock absorbers are moving up and down faster than the pistons in your car, it is true. What they're doing is they're forcing oil through valving to dampen the movement of the suspension. Now, shock absorbers actually convert energy into heat. That's their job. When you get too much heat, you've got rubber seals which can be damaged. So you want to minimize that heat stress by giving them a rest every now and then. We're always being told to stop every 2 hours, stop, revive, survive. Well, that applies to your shock absorbers as well. If you have regular stops, pull up, let everything cool down, have a drink, have a cup of coffee, whatever you do, and let everything cool down and settle, you'll actually find you reduce the risk of making the oil that hot that you blow the seals out of your shock absorbers. So have a think about it. You're traveling up the Plenty Highway, you're belting along at 100 kilometers an hour most of the time. Those shock absorbers are doing an enormous job. Pull up, a couple of hours, have a cup of tea, let it cool down, and you will actually find the shock absorbers will last. You won't be boiling the seals out of them. Now, when you think about it logically, you want to do this to save having to repair or replace items on your trailer. You might think, oh, I don't want to stop every 2 hours, but that 10-15 minute stop may save you hours of replacing items on your camper, on your trip. So it's not a great sacrifice to do it when you're away for a week or two. So have a think about it, stop, revive, let your shocks survive. For more great tips and tricks like this, follow us on Facebook and get the Masterclass editions as they come up.